Every month, people with a uterus go through the menstrual cycle, a natural process where the uterine linings build up to prepare for pregnancy. If pregnancy doesn't happen, these linings shades as menstrual blood. Most of us think of it as waste, but here's the special surprise. Menstrual blood is packed with special stem cells and bioactive molecules that scientists believe could heal wounds, regenerate organs, and even fight diseases. In this video, we will explore the hidden healing powers of menstrual blood, a discovery that could transform medicine. Inside menstrual blood, there are some specialized stem cells that can repair tissues, regenerate organs, and may even help treat diseases. Yes, you heard that right. What we once thought out of a discarded thing could be a medical gold mine. Menstrual blood isn't just a blood, it's a mix of endometrial cells, immune cells, nutrients and signaling molecules, and most importantly, stem cells known as the menstrual stem cells or MNSCs. Now, why these stem cells are so special? Because stem cells are like the body's master builders. They can turn into different type of cells, for example bones, muscles, nerve, even liver. The stem cells have a auto-renewal property. Scientists usually harvest them from bone marrow or umbilical cord, but menstrual blood offers a non-invasive, renewable resource every month. Researchers shows menstrual stem cell could help in wound healing, like faster skin repair, in neurodegenerative diseases, for example, potential therapeutic treatment for Parkinson's or Alzheimer's disease. Then it can also help in heart repair, like regenerating tissues after heart damage. It can also help in liver and kidney diseases that can support the organ recovery, and even in the regenerative beauty treatments for skin and hair. Now, the question is why this matters. The beauty of this discovery is that menstrual blood is easy to collect, abundant, and often overlooked. It is a very good medical resource, and we can have it like unlimited resources because every woman in the world have the menstrual blood, and collections can be done every month. We have considered this waste but could be actually a revolutionary medical resource. And of course, this science is still new. Most studies are in early stages and we need more clinical trials to prove safety and effectiveness. But the potential is huge, transforming something natural to regular into life-saving therapies. So yes, menstrual blood isn't just a part of monthly cycle. It could be the key to healing injuries, curing diseases and advancing regenerative medicine. Truly, nature has hidden treasure in the most unexpected places. Would you ever consider donating menstrual blood for medical research? Share your thoughts below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more fascinating biology explained simple.